Okay, so you probably saw in the beginning of this video, really quickly, I'll probably show you an intro of what these looked like. But anyways, these are gonna be the 3 stages. One is gonna be the way you get the clamp from Amazon. Second is gonna be when you drill out the hole and you've removed this piece. I'll show you how to do that. Then you wanna cut a piece of chromoly, or sorry, not chromoly, this is chrome rod, 5/8, because these fixture holes are 5/8, so you want to make sure that you get 5/8 rod. As you can see, with the pin drilled out, ground down, ready to be welded on, and then eventually you will get this, TIG welded this on, or you can MIG weld it. And then this will be your final clamp like this, which you probably already saw in the beginning of the video. I'm just showing you how it works. You tighten something down and it's actually super handy. I think these go for like 90 bucks, like the legit ones. So I bought all 4 of these fixture clamps on Amazon for $32, and the chunk of rod I bought, the 5/8 rod, was I think $12. So yeah, you guys can build a bunch of these clamps for a lot cheaper, and really I think on this size table I only ever really need 4. So yeah, I'll start showing you the process. I'm only going to do 1 clamp because it's the same for all of them, and you guys can do this for yourself at home. I highly recommend it if you're doing any TIG welding or MIG welding of the sort. It's super handy, and along with the fixture pegs, it allows you to do a lot really fast. So let's jump into it and I'll show you me making them.